It's time for me to do something about this eyesore centre strip. The gaps in the sandstone crazy paving mean it's dysfunctional as a driveway. They catch all the leaves and the dirt, allowing moss to grow, and sooner or later one of the kids are going to nail themselves. Okay, I'm just starting up my prep here, and what I want to do is make a fairly decent effort to prepare a clean and stable base. That means chipping out any of this old cement or loose stone, and I'm also going to level off any sandstone that's protruding from the cement slab. Finally, clear off especially the moss and oil that's accumulated, as well as getting rid of any dust and leaves. Resin sticks like Vegemite to a blanket, so I've drop sheeted my area pretty well here and masked off all my concrete edges so no resin gets on the sides. It's really important there's no damp or wet as the resin dries, so keeping in mind this is sandstone and it's porous, I've given it a good 2 days to dry after pressure cleaning. It's like prepping a surface before you paint. In order to get the best hold, we need the surface to be as dry and dust free as possible. I'm going to give it one last blow now. I've got all my basic tools, full length gloves, a knee pad, disposable bucket, and finally a trowel, which I'll need to keep cleaning with white spirits, as it's a way better solvent than metho to stop resin gumming up the trowel. I'm using the StoneSet Ash DIY coloured kits, which for this application cost around $100 a square metre. The solution is going to be 1/10 the cost of getting guys in to repave and the hassle of having to rip all this out and pay for landfill. The ash colour is a great match to the cement and the sandstone foundations of the house. The other advantage is StoneSet kits are 6mm Australian quarried granite, not small rounded river pebble. So it's not going to pop loose like old pea gravel when it gets heavy tyre shear. All these hard edges and sharp corners make a cross-link into a really solid matrix that ensures I get the best chance of having no loose stone for 10 years plus. Now all the hard work's done in the prep, it's time for the fun part, where it all comes together. StoneSet DIY kits are literally as simple as mixing a bag of stone with a tub of resin 1:1, just ensuring there's no dry pockets at the bottom when I'm mixing in the bucket. To be honest with you, it's taken me most of the afternoon. Clothes are covered in resin and bending over most of the day. But it's amazing when a DIY product delivers on its promises and the job works out, saving myself between $2 and $5 grand.